Today we're going to talk about how to create and reply to an email. So here's what my email um, inbox looks like, and I'm going to change it so that it looks a little bit more like yours. And see if it'll let me change it. Well, we're not going to worry about changing it. When you're wanting to send an email, so your primary, we're going to keep mine on primary. That kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like. So when you want to send an email, you're going to go over here to the left side and you're going to click the compose button. And when you click the compose button, you're going to see this little box that pops up. This is where you're going to type in the name of who you want to send it to. Now, I want you to look at a few things. Sometimes when you're typing in a name, let's see, I'll type in my name. As you see, a whole bunch of names can pop up to the side. And you're going to have to know that you're spelling the name correctly, or sometimes you may want to go, if somebody has a very common name like Alex, let's see if I typed in Alex. You see that there's a whole bunch of names that pop up. So we maybe want to go with something that's not as common. So if I typed in my last name, which is what you guys might know me a little bit more like, you're going to see that those things start popping up and it will reduce what you're looking for. So make sure that you know that what name you're looking for. And also sometimes our friends go by nicknames at school and it's their real name that's going to pop up. So let's say that you guys tried to send me a name here, or an email here, and I'm going to spell my name incorrectly. So as you see, do you guys see how this has the dotted line on the bottom? That means that it is not a real email address. So if I were to try to send it, it is not going to work. So I'm going to type in my name so you see what it looks like. You guys now see how it has a box around the outside? That's what you're going to look for. So we're going to practice by using your name and sending yourself an email. So then I'm going to type in a subject. That means it's helping a person know what the email is about. Later on, we'll learn how to put our name and everything at the bottom. So I'm going to type in the body. So this square down here is the body of the email. If you want to change the look of the writing, which we don't want to spend a whole lot of time doing it, you can click the A down here, and up here will pop up our toolbar. Now, do you guys see how it didn't change? Remember how you have to change something, you have to select it. So click, hold, and drag, and you can click that over there. We're going to go, there's large, we're going to go with normal. Now, do you guys see how it is still selected by having that blue line over it? I can use bold, italicize, or underline if I wanted to underline my whole thing. I can also go here and change the color. Now look at the top. This one over here is background color. We probably don't want to do a whole lot of changing the background of our words because that can just get kind of confusing. I'm going to go back here to this one. You can change the color of your words if you want to. So those are some fun things that you can do. So now I'm going to click on send, and you'll see that whenever it pops up, I have it over here. I can click on this. Do you guys see this circle arrow right here? That's the refresh button. If I click that, it refreshes my screen and pulls up my email. So what new emails I have are over here in black, and I'm going to click on that. And now do you see my email? It's right here. I can click reply. I can do two ways. Right here, I see reply, or this arrow up here also does reply. So I have my email, and if I can send back an email to the person that sent me the information. So I'm going to click thank you, and I'm going to click send. It's happening to go back to my email. The other way that you can refresh is click where it says inbox, and it will show you your email here. So if you're ready to clear out an email, you can click in the arrow, put a check mark in the box. You can select what you want to delete. And then you can go up here to this trash can right here, and you can click delete, and your email is gone. So that is how you can compose an email, and you are going to practice on sending yourself an email and trying to find a friend to send an email to.